Hey guys, today we talk about how can you delete accounts on your Remit app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Remit app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above this and click on it here. So then it's going to show for you this like this. Click here in this sign. We just click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on your account, then come to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, so then you click here on the delete account here, just click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you this like this. Just click on delete, then it's going to delete video here on your Remit app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.